Hey, you guys, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of different tips for you to be able to market your cleaning business on a budget. Okay. Let's get into some different tips and tricks and all the things. If you guys heard my story, you guys know that I started with a very tight budget, literally borrowing $25 from my mama, being like, yo, mama, can I borrow $25 so I can put these leads up on Thumbtack and get some jobs, okay? Now, the cool thing that Thumbtack does offer, can start with Thumbtack with a minimum budget of only $35, which is awesome, okay? But there are some other cool techniques that you can find cleaning leads as well. Now, these are going to be your free ways to find leads, not like the freeway, but like free way. Okay, but listen. What I love about the free way of finding clients, that is possible for anybody. You just have to put a little bit of sweat equity in it, okay? You got to pull up them boots, bootstrap your way to the top, okay? Because it can be done. I've literally shared these same strategies with students inside the academy and done for you clients inside the academy to where like they may have a limited budget, but look, we still trying to be up in here, okay? So I'm going to share some of my favoriteest ways to be able to find leads, and it's not through flyers, it's not postcards, it's not none of that, because in all actuality, that's not really budget friendly, because those postcards and business cards cost money. Even if you use a third-party service that sends them, it costs money, okay? But let's talk about some different ways of leveraging partnerships for trying to find free leads, all right? Now, what I love to do is being able to partner with companies that require our services in their business already. Okay, such as real estate agents, real estate brokers, property management companies. I've been sharing a lot with students on building out a list of property managers because they manage multiple properties at the same time. Where maybe a real estate agent, they may be working with one or two or three properties that they're selling or trying to sell or trying to lease or right? But with the property management company, they have an array of different properties. And every time a property gets listed and re-rented or the lease is closed and ends, that unit has to get cleaned. It's called a turnover. So being able to partner with them, like they constantly need companies like us to be able to provide a cleaning service. So being able to get on their vendors list is key. Will this require some sweat equity? Oh, yes. Okay, so where do you find these property management companies, brokers, real estate agents? Okay, so my favorite ways is going to be LinkedIn. It's a really great social media platform that's meant for professionals, okay? I would recommend that you guys start you a platform, okay? If you don't know how to, Google it, right? Get on YouTube, figure it out, okay? Create you a platform, and I would create a platform for you, and then I would also create a login and account for your business, right? So that way you're saying, I am the business owner of X, Y, and Z company. And then you can actually search for property management companies and agents and all the things in the search, okay? And now you can start building a rapport with these individuals on your regular feed, because it is a social media platform. Post content that would help your ideal client, right? Post before and after pictures, post tips on, the best way to do move in and move out cleanings, or talk about things that would help and attract your ideal client, and post consistently. Okay, build that rapport and allow them to be able to build that trust with you with your content that you're posting on your LinkedIn. Okay, build rapport, and then you want to find these individuals, connect with them, and send them a message. Hey, my name is Jasmine. I own a cleaning company here in the local area, and I just want to see if there's any ways that we can potentially partner where I can provide turn cleanings or move in and move out cleanings for your clients. How can I get on your vendors list? That simple, okay? So you can also do that on Facebook groups. In your local city and area, there are so many Facebook groups of property management or managers, real estate agents, real estate brokers, where they're in there networking or finding resources or sharing resources among that tribe, okay? They're looking for you too, because when they lease a home, sell a home, or, somebody breaks the lease or move out the lease, then it needs to be cleaned, okay? So boom, there goes that. Now, I am a little bit of an introvert, if you don't know. Okay. It doesn't seem like it probably when I'm doing these videos. I probably seem like super bubbly and nice and lively. Look, y'all, your girl is an introvert. Okay. I'm headed straight to the couch after I'm done recording. I'm putting my blanket, I'm snatching this whole face off and taking this jewelry off, okay? And I'm going to sit and chill for the remainder of the night, okay? But if you're not, or if you want to push yourself, you're an entrepreneur, you're a business owner, sometimes you got to do things you're not comfortable with doing. It's the name of the game, okay? So with that being said, step out of your box and go to actual in-person physical networking groups and networking real estate networking meetups, because they're there. They go, they commingle, they meet at bars and hotels or lobbies and all the things, and they share tips and tricks and network and build their community and their tribe. Okay, plot yourself right up in there and be like, hey. Now, yes, you may need a business card, or don't. Go ahead and create you a virtual one and airdrop that bad boy. Okay, so you can also do that as well. All right. Another place is, of course, Google. Come on now, search engine king. Okay, Google in your area, and you will see a long list of these property management companies, real estate agents, real estate brokers. I'm telling you, there's no shortage of them. There's no shortage. As many homes you can see, somebody is selling, flipping, managing these homes. Okay, so there's no shortage. So build you out a list and literally reach out to every single one of them. Okay, by email. Cold email. You can find a cold email marketing platform. There's a couple that's out there, so you can send them a cold email, and then you can give them a call. Okay, so with that search method, you're going to be calling and emailing. But listen up, y'all. It doesn't take it's not enough just to do that first initial call. Be like, yo, Jazz, I tried. You told me to do it. I tried. You told me to do the things. I tried. How many times did you try? How many times did you really try? Did you try one time, 2 times? Maybe you thought about the second time, but didn't do the second time. Look, you guys, the effort has to be there, because we can't really manage the outcome. Okay, we can't really predict the outcome of it, but what we can manage is our effort. How much effort are we putting on the front end? Okay, so if you're trying to find clients and you're trying to build clients and you're trying to get clients on the low, you may not have the budget to invest in Thumbtack ads or Thumbtack leads or Google LSA or Google ads or Yelp ads, okay, or Bark ads or Nextdoor ads, okay, and paid lead generation. Just put them all in the bucket for paid lead generation, right? But you may have some time. You may have some time to call, and you're going to have some time to email, okay? And you're going to have to follow up. In sales, the key is the sales is in the follow-up. The money's in the follow-up. You guys, they not lying, okay? These old slogans, they stick around. They be extra sticky because they're true. Sales, the money, it's in the follow-up. So you want to make sure that you're tracking and you're keeping track and using some sort of CRM system to manage how many follow-ups you're doing. When was the last time you followed? Because you want to be a bugaboo, right? You bugging me? You bugging who? You don't want to be a bugaboo, right? But you want to make sure that you're following up consistently. Okay. And then, if you're feeling really saucy, go ahead and stop by with some donuts or something. Put a name to the face, allow them to be able to see who you are, build that rapport, drop off maybe some donuts or some bagels. It's a tax write-off. You're a business owner. Okay. Make sure you keep your receipt. Okay. So that is another way that you can be able to find those relationships and partnerships. Okay. Other one that should be honorably mentioned is going to be your handyman, your lawn services, your carpet cleaning, because these individuals are actually in the homes, like in your potential cleaners' homes. That's also getting other local services done in their home, around their home, for their home. Lawn, handyman, carpet cleaning. Yo. Okay. Also another one, moving companies. Yo, look, these are other great relationships to reach out to. I was just talking to one of our Done For You clients that recently went live, and her VA created a whole dope partnership with the moving company. And then to come to find out, like, this moving company, like, has multiple locations in other cities. So she's like, right? What cities y'all in? Let me go ahead and plant me a cleaner there real quick. Okay. Got a whole partnership that they're creating to where when somebody needs a moving, what are they moving in and out of? Not a box. I pray not. Maybe out of a box to a house. But look here, that's not the point. The point is they're moving out of a home, apartment, a condo, something that has 4 walls and a roof. Okay. And that is something that would need to be clean to prepare for the next occupancy. Okay. So there are so many different ways. You may just have to get a little bit creative with finding free leads. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some elbow grease. It's going to pull you out of your comfort zone. It's going to push and try you. But is it worth it? Yes, it is. Will you do the things? Yes, you will. Okay, so I hope this information was helpful, you guys. If you guys want more tips and things like this, you guys join our membership. Our membership, Scale Up to Success membership, is an amazing program. We do weekly coaching just like this, where you're able to come, ask questions, get support, get accountability, get clarity, okay, and get access to all of the resources inside the academy. Literally, the only thing you don't get is the course itself. So if you're like, Jazz, I'm working on building my business, I'm already up in this thing, I just need some more help, guidance. You know, I don't maybe need the blueprint to set everything up because it's already done. I just need the guidance. Join the membership. Scale Up to Success is available right now. It also comes with a VIP upgrade to the next upcoming master workshop. So that means you get a one-on-one with myself. I mean, what we gonna do? Okay, you guys. So until next time, do all the things, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.